Hey guys, it's Annette. So I switched up the nail studio. I put my desk in the middle and I put my drawers over in front of the windows. And then I have this other desk with a three-tiered thing on it behind me. Those are the carts I use all the time. This area is going to be switching up as far as decorations and stuff. I'm going to have some floating shelves and stuff like that over there. This is where I'm going to be having like polishes. I have a lot of my stamping polishes there. This is just another rack just for probably some more polishes. And then I'll zoom you around really quick. This is what the filming situation is looking like at the moment. So far, I think I'm happy with it. I'm not totally sure. I didn't film today with the new setup. I had a migraine, but I was trying to get this organized. And then I moved the black shelves over here that has my cloth boxes on it and then the things that I need to do hauls on. And now this is where I'm going to be taking my photos. So that's my little photo station. And then I had organized the closet, but I didn't film any of this because it was me and my husband and it was a lot of moving stuff in and out of the room, in and out of the room. It would have been too hard to film. But anyways, I just figured that it would give you guys something different to look at other than, like when I'm filming myself talking and you guys don't have to look at the closet doors anymore. So hopefully it's a little more interesting for you guys. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks so much. Have a good day.